Hello, welcome to your weekly beverage industry news summary. Breakthru experts predict 2019's beverage industry trends for alcoholic beverages. News by BreakthruBev.com. Corona brewer Constellation is nearing a deal to sell some wine brands to E&J Gallo. News by Hirsch, CNBC.com. Coca-Cola invests in mocktails with internal ready-to-drink line. News by Beth Newhart, BeverageDaily.com. Startup launches naturally caffeinated energy drink in the UK for millennials. News by Flora Sothi, FoodNavigator.com. Sonic is introducing a Red Bull Slush as energy drink markets keep growing. News by Amelia Lucas, CNBC.com. Bailey's launches new recipe and packaging as they enter new agreement with Danone North America. News by Beverage Industry.com. Budweiser's parent and Keurig move forward with their at-home cocktail maker. News by Amelia Lucas, CNBC.com. FDA sets first hearing on CBD in May as the agency looks at legalizing the cannabis compound in food and drinks. News by Angelica Lovito, CNBC.com. Check out 10 innovative cannabis usage for beverage startups. News by Jessica Smith, Drinkpreneur.com. Coke just released an ad for its first new flavor variety in more than a decade. News by Lucy Handley, CNBC.com. If you're interested in beverage and consumer good product development, sign up to our Mastermind sessions in San Diego, California. Call 619-722-5033. Thank you very much for listening and have a great day.